I'm going to show you exactly how to do a single crochet stitch suitable for an absolute beginner. You're probably here because you are brand new to crochet or need a reminder on the basics. We've all been there.
Welcome to my channel, Beautiful Design Crochet, run by me, Jenna. Let's crochet something cozy together.
This video walks you through exactly what you need to know to perform a standard single crochet, how to make a slip knot, clean edging, and chaining, or chain stitch. We will be using only US terminology, and just so you know, single crochet is typically abbreviated as the letters SC. For the purposes of this tutorial, I am using a 6mm hook and worsted weight acrylic yarn. All materials needed are in the caption. Start by making your slip knot. But I wrap the yarn around my index finger twice and overlap the back loop to the front loop, and then again to pull through to a slip knot. Then I put it on my hook. Make sure your slip knot around your hook isn't so tight because you need to move your hook freely. Hold only the tail of your slip knot with the hand that you're holding your hook with. Wrap the yarn under the hook and back around to yarn under. From the yarn over, you will have 2 loops on your hook. Pull through one of the loops. You will make your first chain. So keep going with that until you have 16 chains. And the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. For single crochet, we will start by making a foundation chain of single crochets. To do this, insert your hook into the first chain and yarn over. Pull the loop through your chain space so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again with your working yarn and pull through the initial 2 loops. Now you've made your first single crochet. Look carefully for the next chain space. Sometimes this might be hiding. Do not use the chain space you just put your first single crochet in. It is the one directly connected to it. So insert your hook into the chain and yarn over. Pull a loop through your chain space so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again with your working yarn and pull through the 2 loops. Keep doing that down the whole row and we will meet at the end. Crochet along with me if you like. So now we've reached the end of the foundation row. The last stitch will go into the chain space right next to the slip knot you made at the beginning. This one might be more difficult to do since it might be hard to hold on to the end of the foundation chain. Awesome! You finished your first foundation row of single crochets. Let's count them. Pull your working yarn a bit to avoid unraveling your work and lay it flat. Since we began with 16 chains and single crocheted into 14 of them, we should have 14 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yay! The hardest part about crochet for me at the beginning was coming to terms with the fact that I can't count. So it's always best practice to always check your work. Insert your hook again into your working yarn loop and pull taut. We are going to chain 1 in order to turn our work. This means we will be crocheting back across the row we just made. So chain 1 and rotate your work counterclockwise. This only requires your project to be rotated, so don't rotate your hook. Notice your hook stayed in the exact same location the whole time. Turning your work affects how the edge of your project will look. Because this is the second row, we will be inserting the hook under both top loops, and some call it the V, which is not like the foundation chain where we only use the one loop. So let's keep going. Crochet along with me. Insert your hook into the first loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Keep going until the end of the row. So we are at the end of the row almost. Let's count our stitches. We should have 13 stitches so far. The 14th stitch goes into the turning chain of the row below. It looks awesome. Now we can chain 1 and turn our work counterclockwise again and start the 3rd row. Once you are almost to the end, count your stitches, make sure you have 13, and finish your row with the 14th stitch. I'm going to make one more row. Now that we've mastered how to do the single crochet, you can check out these project ideas and patterns linked in the description. I also have an Instagram where I publish content almost every day.
Thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button to be a part of this crafty community and learn more.